In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ACF fields to WooCommerce products step by step. We're going to walk through the full setup inside WordPress so you can attach custom fields to your products in a clean and organized way. This is useful if you want to add extra product information beyond the default WooCommerce settings, such as specifications, highlights, care instructions, or any other custom content you want to manage more easily. First, go to your WordPress dashboard and open the plugins area. From there, click to add a new plugin, then search for the free version of Advanced Custom Fields. Install it and activate it. This plugin gives you a simple way to create extra fields without having to build everything manually. Once the plugin is active, look in your dashboard for ACF, then go to Field Groups and click Add New. A field group is basically a container that holds one or more custom fields. Keeping related fields together makes them easier to manage later, especially if you plan to use them for WooCommerce products only. Now give your field group a descriptive title. Choose something clear so you'll immediately know what this group is for when you come back to it later. Good naming helps a lot once your site grows and you have multiple field groups. Next, click Add Field and choose the field type you want to use. Depending on the kind of information you need, this could be a text field, text area, image field, select box, or something else. The field type should match the kind of content you expect to enter for each product. After that, set the field label. This is the name you'll see in the WordPress editor when filling out product information. The system will automatically generate the field name for you, which is helpful because it creates a usable internal reference based on your label. Then scroll down to the location rules section. This part is very important because it tells ACF where these custom fields should appear. Set the condition so that post type is equal to product. That way the field group will show up on WooCommerce product edit screens instead of regular posts or pages. Once that's done, click Save Changes or Publish to make the field group live. After saving, open a WooCommerce product and start populating the product data using the custom fields you just created. You should now see those extra fields available on the product editing screen. Finally, display the fields on the front end so visitors can actually see the information on your product pages. Creating the fields is only the first part. Showing them on the live site is what makes them useful to customers. And that's how to add ACF fields to WooCommerce products step by step.